Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can download your maps and then get them on to your tablet that's running Ditch Assist. The easiest way to do this is what I'm going to show you now. It's actually to do this on your computer, email it to yourself, and then open the email on your tablet. So that's what I'm going to show you. I have also made a video showing how to directly do this on the tablet. There are just a couple of extra steps. So if you feel adventurous, you can try it that way as well. But I'm just going to show you this one for now. So I'm just logged into the Saskatchewan map. It'll work the same in all of them. And I'm just going to zoom into a random location, let the flow lines load. And the first thing that we need to do is you just need to determine which region you're actually in. So to do that, just click somewhere on the field, for example. And I can see here I'm in Kelvington, Wadena. And if you're on a desktop computer, this select tool here should automatically be, that should be the one that's already open. So the first thing you need to do is under the query, you need to choose the region for the data that you actually want to select. And then you can use either the polygon tool or just the self-closing tool. I'm just going to use that one just to drag. You just need to drag an area bigger than the field or the area that you want, just to make sure that you get everything in. And then you're going to hit either next or get results, depending on what it says for you. And you can see now that it's selected all of those routes in my selected area there. And in this case, I've selected 4 sections. We're then going to download that as a KML. And depending on how yours is set up, you can name this if you want to be your field name or a region name, whatever will be meaningful to you. And just save it somewhere that you can find it on your computer. What I've done now is I've emailed that KML file, so I attached it to an email and I just emailed it to myself. And now I've moved over to my tablet, which I've also set up to connect to my email account. So here's the email that I just sent to myself, and I can see the attachment right there. So on the attachment, you see this little download icon here. I'm just going to click on that one, just going to tap on that one. And that's going to download the attachment onto my tablet. And by default, it should have put it into the downloads folder on the tablet. So if you want to check that, if you've got a file manager app, you just go to downloads and just go check. I can see there it is, Kelvington Wadena, in my downloads folder. So now I'm going to open up Ditch Assist and we're going to add that to the map. So all we need to do is click on Manage Layers, click on Add, choose KML file, and if it's not already, just navigate, use the little drop-down menu over here, navigate to your downloads folder, choose the file that you just added, and then you're either just going to tap somewhere away from that grey box or just use the back button on the tablet, and what should happen is the overlay will be put on the map. And as I've said before, again, what you can do here, if you use 2 fingers on the map, you can actually pan and rotate it a little bit as well if you find that easier. And when you're out in the field, you may also want to turn on the Follow GNSS option, and that'll automatically pan and rotate the map with you, so you'll be able to see your current position on top of your flow maps. And again, when you're out in the field, what you're going to probably be trying to do is connect some of those problem areas to these flow lines and use these as your guide to show you where your outlet points are going to be. So hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully you're able to get this working very, very easily.